Okay, so Paul just picked up, what the fuck is it? A Fluidampr.
Fluidampr is the brand.
Fluidampr, yeah. Yeah, so we just picked this up in hopes of helping with vibrations and stuff. Should help. So what we're gonna do, we've come up with a way to, I don't know if we don't even know if this is actually how it works.
Foolproof way.
But it's better to just, we're gonna try. We're gonna dream a little dream that this actually makes a difference in this particular situation. But yeah, so we got a water bottle on there. We're gonna have Paul start it up.
I'll probably rev it up a little bit too.
All right, so, and we're gonna basically see if it does anything. Give it a little bit of this with just, it's just a straight up aluminum pulley, nothing fancy. So, see how this goes. But yeah, so now we'll just see. We'll just see if that makes a difference. So it's just literally freaking 4 bolts and done. Other than we gotta obviously untension the alternator, but
that's easy.
Too easy. So let's get that done. Yeah. All right, so we got this thing on here. Weighs 1 pound, 4.4 ounces. And the new one, 7 pounds, 10 ounces, 10.4 ounces. So, adding a good 6 pounds onto the crank. I guess this stuff has like a fluid in there that's super thick and yeah, I don't know.
Magic.
It's just doing magical things. It's good to have. It pretty much just kind of keeps your crank balanced. So, yeah. So, now we just got to put it on. Oh, plot twist.
Oh, it's a lot bigger.
We ain't going to be able to put that on.
Because that goes in farther too than the
Yeah. Yeah, so we did not account for
the 12%.
The belt size. So we're not going to be able to put this on yet because the alternator is pretty much maxed out this way and it still don't fit. So that kind of sucks. So essentially we're going to have to put this one back on and come back a different day.
No, I'm doing it today.
So, yeah. And then I'll just have to film it later. But, yeah.
You got all this time.
You got to leave for work at 8.
You know where Austin is?
5 hours away.
Literally 2 minutes that way.
Okay, well, I guess we're going to go to O'Reilly's.
That's how you're talking.
Alright, so we got to put that back on and then go to O'Reilly's. Okay, we're just out here at O'Reilly's. So, we just got it on there. Hopefully, it might squeal. We'll find out. So, here we go. That works pretty good. There's difference. But yeah, that seemed to work pretty good. So now we just gotta clean up and be out. Alright, well, that's gonna be it for for installing a dampener. Definitely noticeable. Like not like obviously we seen it in the water bottle, but like on the drive back home because we have to drive like 20-ish miles to get to O'Reilly's, it's way different. Like it doesn't, like, I guess the easiest way to say it would be like before it was like the vibrations were like really big. And then, like, I guess if you look at it in waveform, like they were like this, and then now they're tighter, so you don't notice it as much, or it just doesn't vibrate as much. I don't know. I'm kind of considering it like as in waveform, but it's definitely noticeable in the aspect of it helps. What are all the benefits? I don't know off the top of my head. I know there's lots of them. There's really no reason to not get them other than they can be expensive. They are expensive because that was 300 freaking bones. So, but I think it was definitely well worth it, and it comes with a thing for like a track too,
okay.
I guess. Apparently there's like a thing. I don't know. Apparently it's a thing you need. Yeah, it comes with
SFI.
yeah. So it's got certification. So that's pretty cool. But yeah. Otherwise, I mean, if you're looking for one of those, definitely worth getting.
Yeah, if you don't have balance shafts,
Yeah, if you don't have balance shafts, definitely do it because that does a wonder. Because this thing freaking shakes like a motherfucker, and with that, it's not as bad. Kind of feels like a normal car again.
Yeah.
It doesn't feel. I don't even know. Didn't feel good. That was for sure. Now it feels pretty good. But all right, enough rambling on. You guys know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.